All-in-one automobile repair gadget reimagines roadside fixes by combining tire-changing tools, an electric clutch system, built-in pump and pressure gauge into one compact device that plugs into your car's 12-volt outlet. It's designed to make tire changes and inflation dramatically simpler without hauling a toolbox everywhere. Early pledges started around $299 on Kickstarter, making it a premium but highly functional roadside companion for drivers who like smart, practical gear in their car. Roboki. The Roboki car gadget is a clever robotic wireless charger and phone mount that makes charging on the go feel futuristic. Its Qi-certified fast wireless charging delivers up to 10 watts for Android and 7.5 watts for iPhones, and robotic arms automatically grip your phone once it's placed near the sensor. It comes with USB-C input, a vent, dash, windshield mount, and LED indicators. Early Kickstarter backing started around $30 to $70 depending on tier. While it's innovative and hands-free, reviews suggest mixed delivery and support experiences from the original creator. ODII. The ODII Ultimate Grab-It gadget is a simple but surprisingly handy tool for any car owner who always seems to drop keys, coins, or even your phone between seats. It features a 19-inch flexible telescopic claw, a 23-inch magnetic wand, and a detachable LED flashlight to help you reach into tight, dark spots with ease. Typically found around $30 to $50 depending on bundle and seller, it's a compact retrieval tool that fits right in the glove box and makes everyday car mishaps less frustrating. Cargenta Brain 2. The Cargenta Brain 2 is a compact, smart OBD2 car gadget that turns your vehicle into a connected machine you can monitor and interact with from your phone. Plugging into the OBD port, it offers real-time GPS tracking, 24/7 health monitoring, fault code scanning/clearing, maintenance reminders, alerts for theft, towing, overspeeding, and detailed sensor data like speed, RPM, and coolant temp via the companion app. Early Kickstarter backers pledged around approximately $255, with retail options roughly $199 to $370 depending on data plan included. While its all-in-one functionality feels futuristic, actual delivery history and app reliability have drawn mixed feedback from users. Hudway Glass. The Hudway Glass was a Kickstarter-born car gadget that promised to turn your smartphone into a handy head-up display, reflecting navigation, speed, and more right in your line of sight to keep your eyes on the road. It uses a coated plastic lens and dashboard mounts to project HUD mode apps from your phone. Originally, pledges were around $40 to $70. In practice, many backers experienced long delays, poor communication, and delivery issues, and recent reviews suggest the company struggled to fulfill orders and support customers. So buyer caution is advised. Keto Smart Car Key. The Keto Smart Car Key is a Kickstarter-fueled gadget that aims to turn your smartphone into a secure car key using Bluetooth 5.0 and an inaudible audio channel, so you unlock and start your vehicle without fumbling for a physical fob. It integrates with your car's existing key module inside a compact in-car unit and lets you grant or revoke access to others via the app. Early pledges were about $99 on Kickstarter, though availability and fulfillment details remain unclear. Backer caution is advised since it hasn't seen broad commercial launch. 2Enjoy 5. The 2Enjoy 5 adjustable car door step is a clever and rugged accessory that hooks onto your car's door latch to give you easy roof access. Ideal for loading cargo, roof racks, bikes, and kayaks without struggling on tiptoes. With 5 adjustable angles, high-density rubber protection, a non-slip platform, and up to approximately 400-pound load capacity, it feels solid and practical. At around $25 to $30, it's a small, portable tool that turns awkward rooftop tasks into something much more manageable on your next road trip or adventure. Astro AI 27-inch Snow Brush. The Astro AI 27-inch snow brush is a versatile and durable winter car gadget that makes clearing snow and ice a breeze. Its 2-in-1 design combines a soft, scratch-free brush with a sturdy ice scraper, quickly removing snow, frost, and ice without harming your car's paint. Built with cold-resistant ABS, PC bristles, and a padded EVA handle, it withstands extreme temperatures down to -40 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightweight, detachable, and compact, it's a reliable tool for daily winter commutes or emergency road trips, priced around $17. Nebo Jump Starter. The Nebo Jump Starter 1500 amps is a powerful and compact car gadget designed for emergencies and everyday peace of mind. With 1500 peak amps, it can jumpstart any 12-volt car, truck, or SUV, and its 29.9 watt-hour battery handles up to 30 jumps per charge. Built-in USB ports charge phones, while the integrated floodlight is perfect for roadside situations. Lightweight, TSA approved, and IP65 rated, it's safe, durable, and reliable, making it a smart investment at around $99 for drivers who value preparedness. Slime Flat Tire Kit. The Slime Flat Tire Kit is a practical and compact car gadget for handling unexpected roadside flats. The kit includes a tire inflator, 16-ounce sealant, accessories for inflatables, instructions, and a zipped storage bag, allowing quick repairs in just 4 simple steps in about 15 minutes. No jack needed. Designed for temporary emergency use, it safely repairs punctures up to 1/4 inch, is TPMS safe, non-toxic, and non-corrosive, and conveniently fits in your trunk. Priced around $37, it's a smart must-have for peace of mind. Trap Tap. The Trap Tap car gadget is a compact wireless speed trap indicator that helps you stay aware of speed traps, school zones, and red light cameras by flashing color alerts on your dash when you're approaching them. It pairs with your smartphone via Bluetooth and uses GPS plus crowdsourced data to keep warnings up to date in real time. Flashing green, blue, or red lights depending on the type of alert. Originally retailing around $149 to $179, it's designed to be legal, portable, and easy to install with long battery life and a simple tap-to-report feature that adds new traps for other drivers. 4K Dash Cam. The Terransol 4K Dash Cam is a high-end car gadget that captures ultra-clear 4K front and rear footage with wide-angle lenses for full road coverage. Its G-sensor, loop recording, and pre-installed 128GB memory ensure critical events are safely stored, while Super Starlight Night Vision keeps night recordings sharp. With dual-band Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, and app control, it's easy to manage videos and monitor routes. Supports 24-hour parking mode with collision detection, priced around $130, offering peace of mind on every drive. Bouncy GPS Tracker for Vehicle. The Bouncy GPS Tracker for Vehicle is a smart car gadget that keeps you connected to your car in real time. It provides live location updates, unlimited trip history, and detailed route tracking, making it ideal for families or fleet management. Beyond tracking, it monitors driving habits like speed, hard braking, and idle time while offering alerts for unsafe behavior. It also tracks vehicle health, geofencing, and accident detection. Priced around $90, it's a reliable tool for safety, maintenance, and peace of mind. Car Trash Can. The Hodor. Car Trash Can is a simple yet highly practical car gadget that keeps your vehicle clean and organized. Its collapsible design makes storage easy, while magnetic snaps simplify replacing trash bags in just 2 steps. The durable, leak-proof inner lining handles spills effortlessly, and the bin doubles as storage for cups, toys, or even a mini cooler. Compact and versatile, it fits sedans, SUVs, and trucks alike. Priced around $10, it's an affordable must-have accessory for a tidy ride. Car Cover Tent. The Car Cover Tent is a versatile car gadget that offers full vehicle protection with its 13.8 by 7.2 feet coverage, shielding sedans, SUVs, or minivans from sun, rain, dust, and bird droppings. Its semi-automatic hydraulic opening makes setup quick and effortless, while silver-coated water-resistant Oxford cloth reduces interior heat and protects against light rain. With strong suction cups and adjustable windproof ropes, it stays secure even in breezy conditions. Priced around $127, it's a practical solution for everyday outdoor protection. BMK 200-watt car power inverter. The BMK 200-watt car power inverter is a versatile car gadget that turns your vehicle's 12-volt DC into 200 watts of AC power. featuring dual 110-volt outlets and 4 USB ports, including QC 3.0 and USB-C for fast simultaneous charging. Perfect for laptops, tablets, game consoles, and more. It also includes a smart cooling fan and LCD display to monitor voltage. With built-in safety features like overcharge and short-circuit protection, it's reliable and practical, priced around $26, making it a great travel companion. Key fob holder for car. The key fob holder for car is a small but practical gadget that keeps your car keys secure and within easy reach, preventing them from sliding or making noise while driving. Its multifunctional design also organizes coins, cards, lipstick, or small electronics, reducing dashboard clutter. Easy to install with strong adhesive and made of durable black matte plastic, it blends seamlessly with most interiors. Compact and universal, it's an affordable $7 solution for a tidier, more organized ride. MagSafe Car Mount. The MagSafe Car Mount is a sleek and practical gadget designed for iPhones 12 to 17 with MagSafe or other magnetic cases, and also compatible with Android phones using included metal rings. Its strong magnetic hold and VHB adhesive keep your device secure through bumps, sharp turns, or sudden stops. Compact and dashboard-friendly, it provides a 360-degree swivel for optimal viewing, allowing safe hands-free calls and navigation. Affordable at $10, it's a must-have for anyone wanting convenience, safety, and style on the road. Wireless CarPlay Adapter. The wireless CarPlay adapter is a compact and convenient car gadget that turns your wired CarPlay into a seamless wireless experience. Its plug-and-play setup pairs instantly via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, automatically reconnecting each time you start your car. Equipped with dual chips for 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and 2.4 GHz Bluetooth, it ensures smooth, near-zero latency music, navigation, and calls. The mini USB design with a stylish metal shell enhances heat dissipation and durability. Priced around $20, it's a simple, clutter-free